a super cozy weekend warrior. It is a Zion tier on a Sprinter 144 chassis. Starting with the back, tons of storage in here for all of your weekend gear. These flatline pull-out trays are going to pull out. They will lock into place so that it's steady while you're loading all your gear up. Again, super heavy duty. They can support up to 500 pounds. It just makes it easier to access all of your gear that's in the back if you're strapping a bike onto there. On the driver's side, we have all of the electrical components. Water components on the right side. That's a 33-gallon water tank. Outdoor shower port to wash off them dirty dogs. Step on in this bad boy with me. We've got Scopema swivels on the driver and the passenger seat, flipping those seats all the way around. Lagoon table, flip-flop. Underneath this beautiful custom bench seat is a fridge, freezer, cooler combo. The Lavio dry flush is located in this cupboard. Strapped in there so it's not wiggling around while you're driving. Control panel up top. Underneath the sink is a dedicated spot for the single burner induction cooktop. That can be set up right here on top of the custom sink cover. And that just tucks away neatly when you're all done. Super plush memory foam mattress in here. This is a queen size bed. We've got overhead cabinets on the driver's side. Max air fan up top. That's going to exhaust all the hot air out of the van. And the Nomadic X2 is going to bring all that cool air in. On the side of the bed are cubbies with an outlet in there so you can plug in your phone or Kindle. Thank you for joining me on this week's Van Tour Tuesday. We will see you next week.